Demonstrative pronoun. When pronoun indicate person or thing, we can say it demonstrative pronoun. What is the demonstrative pronouns? What is the words are demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative words are following: this, that, these, and those. So we use this, that, these, and those in the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. The first word is this. How can we use this? Use of this. When single person mean one person or single things mean one things is close from us, that we use to this. In similar, use of that. When single person or single thing is far from us. Single person, one person, and single thing means one thing. Is far from us means distance from us, that we use to that. How to use this? When plural people. Plural people means more than one person. Plural things, more than one things are when plural people or plural things are close from us, that we use to these. When plural peoples means more than one person. Plural things means more than one thing. Okay, so when more than one things is close from us, we can use these. How to use those? When plural people and plural things are far from us, that we use to those. In similar, plural peoples and plural things are far from us means distance, so we can use those. Now we shall trying to understand these, that, these, and those with examples. Look this picture. This is an apple. We have used these because apple is single or apple is close from hand. In this picture, in similar, we have used that because apple is single or apple far from hands in this picture. The next is we use these in this image because apples are more than one means plural, but apple close from hand in this image. These are apples. The next is those are apples. We used those in this image because apples are more than one means plural, but apples far from hands. Okay. The next is how. Now we shall find right demonstrative pronoun in this example. We have a boy and boy have a camera in his hand. So camera is single and close from boy. So what shall I use this? This is a camera. Dash are chairs. Boy are talking about chair. Chairs means plural and far from boy. What shall we use? We shall use these. These are chairs. The kite is single and far from girl, so we shall use to that. So what is that? Is a kite. This image is and dash are my friend. We use these are my friend because look this image. We have three children. Friends are plurals, those from each other, so we use these. Dash is a ball. We have used this because ball is singles, goes from boy. So this is a ball. Those are butterfly. Butterflies are plural and far from this boy, so we use those. Those